Welcome to my channel. I'm Ashley and today I'm going to talk to you about how I made this DIY face oil. So this is not complete. This oil is mostly jojoba, coconut oil, so MCT specifically, which means it's going to be more liquid and it has more of those medium chain triglycerides, which is what MCT stands for. And then it has a little bit of avocado oil. So the reason I chose that is jojoba is amazing for your skin. Mostly it's shelf stable, okay? As it's sitting on your bathroom counter, it's getting lots of light and also probably a little bit of heat because we don't keep our homes like a refrigerator. And every time you use it, it's going to be exposed to air. And obviously it's exposed to this much air right now. So what is floating around in here is calendula flowers. So calendula is super soothing. It's used for irritated skin, dry skin. It's so hydrating and soothing. St. John's wort, most of you have probably heard of it for internal use for depression and anxiety and whatever else. I don't really care to use it that way, but I love it in skincare. It's packed full of antioxidants and it's often used in first aid and wound care. Obviously, I love that. What if I have like a zit on my face and I want that to heal? So antioxidants, amazingness. There's also a few chamomile flowers floating around in here. Soothing, amazingness, antioxidants. We love that as well. This has been in my garage for about 8 weeks, like I said. Also, totally forgot, there are some frankincense tears. It's like little pieces of sap from the boswellia tree, the same place where frankincense oil comes from. And I crushed those up and added those in here and give some antioxidants, some collagen stimulating properties. And it's going to give it a really lovely light frankincense smell. Very, very light, not overpowering at all. Let's get started. Things that I need are a little jar. Okay, so I use this. It is a Martinelli's apple juice container. It's been cleaned. It's gone through the dishwasher. I also put some rubbing alcohol in it, swirled it around, wiped it out with a paper towel, made sure that it was super, super dry. Funnel, because I don't trust myself to make all of the oil go in there, and a strainer. So with this strainer, you're going to get a very small amount of fine sediment in the bottom. It doesn't bother me. I generally don't end up getting all the way down there. Not a big deal. I'll set up over here so that you guys can see. Smells different than when I made it last year because last year I did all jojoba oil, which was amazing and so expensive. It was like $45 worth of oil, and trying to conserve the budget a little bit more this year. Take my jar and open it up. Just place my funnel in. Little strainer, I'm just going to stick right in there. So you can see that set up. We're going to stick that right in there. Put the strainer in. Take my oil. Start to pour in there. I think that all of it's gonna fit, or mostly all of it. Okay, so there's a little bit left, and I have a plan for that, so I'm going to do this for now. This actually has a little bit more sediment floating around in it than I was expecting, but that's going to all settle out. You're not going to end up putting that on your face. For the remainder of the little bit of oil that's still in this jar, I am going to take this Dr. Hauschka Pump. That was from a revitalizing day cream I had a long time ago. I keep cleaning it out and reusing it. Because I love how small this is and it works great, and it's glass and it's very high quality. I actually totally didn't bother cleaning it out this time. There's still a little bit of oil and sediment in the bottom, but I'm adding in basically the exact same thing, and this has not been contaminated, so at this point I'm not I'm going to clean it out. I'll probably clean it out at another point when I refill from this one in the future, but for now, I'm gonna fill this and show you guys what else I do. As you can see, there's still some oil. Wipe that away. Ugh, I don't want to waste any of this precious oil. Rub it in. Gosh, that is a lot more than I was expecting. I'm going to leave enough room at the top so that I can add some essential oils. Essential oils that I'm going to add are frankincense essential oil. So this is one of my all-time favorite oils. I use it on everything. It's so good. One of the best qualities about it is that it is collagen stimulating. So after about like 25 or 30 years old, our collagen production levels just like steadily decline, and that's why we start getting wrinkles and our skin doesn't bounce back after a day of smiling in the sun, and we get those beautiful crow's feet. It's also a powerful astringent, so it's going to help prevent blemishes, it's going to help protect your skin, and it's just going to overall, it's going to slow aging. All right, Hello Christian, this is one of my other favorite products. So this is so good. So this is actually the oil that comes from St. John's Wort. Clearly, I'm obsessed with that for skincare. Super amazing antioxidants. It promotes healing. It is really awesome if you ever have a bruise. You put this stuff on it and it'll be gone like overnight. Very healing, very soothing. Strong antioxidant, it's gonna help your skin glow and it's gonna reduce redness. Rose Otto, okay? So Rose Otto is what is in Olive Trilogy and Dr. Hauschka's products. Rose is so amazing. It's a powerful antioxidant. It's gonna help protect you from UV damage, as well as just scavenge all those other free radicals that we're exposed to. The other amazing thing about Rose Otto is that it helps to plump and regulate moisture levels in your cells. So we all need that, especially in a dry climate like Idaho. It's a desert here, it's so dry, so a little extra moisture, yes. German chamomile. There's a bunch of different types of chamomile. I chose German chamomile. It helps again to heal some bruising, soothes the skin, anti-inflammatory, overall just a really great oil, and it has a lovely scent. Lavender, we are also familiar with lavender. It's overall a really good one. It always makes the list for anti-aging essential oils. It helps stimulate blood flow, healing, rejuvenation of skin, lots of antioxidants. It's a little bit antiseptic. You can't go wrong with lavender unless you're allergic to it, which is rare, but there are people. The last oil I'm gonna add is sandalwood. This is Australian sandalwood. It is a really powerful antioxidant. It is an anti-cancer essential oil, antiseptic, so many other properties. It's often overlooked for skincare. It's a really good one, so I'm gonna add a few drops of that now. So good. I hope that you all decide to try and make your own DIY face oil. You just customize it to whatever your skincare concerns are. There are plenty of lists out there to other oils that are amazing. If none of these appealed to you or only some of these appealed to you, you don't have to add everything. I generally make mine a little bit different every time. These are just the oils that are speaking to me right now. And I have all of this to play with. This will last me probably the whole year, and I'll make another batch next summer. Each time I refill this, it'll probably end up being a little bit different essential oils, and that is a-okay. If you try it, let me know how it goes. Let me know what your favorite oils are. So drop me a comment on which are your miracle essential oils. Thanks.